One of the most famous Chinese apps banned in India is TikTok. There are two reasons to delete TikTok. The first being that it is Chinese and your private data is not safe on this app. The first alternative for TikTok is Bolo India. This app is made in India and provides pretty much the same features like TikTok. There are two more alternatives to TikTok and both of these apps are made in India. The first one is Mitro and the second one is Roposo. Moving on to the second one, we have Shareit. Shareit is also one of the most famous banned Chinese apps. There are a lot of alternatives available for this file sharing app. First one is Shareall. Second one is GeoSwitch. Both of these apps are Indian. And the third one is by Google, which is Files by Google. As it is by Google, you can trust it with your data. UC Browser is the third banned app in this list. It was used by a lot of people. There are many browsing apps which can fulfill your requirements. The first browser is Google Chrome. It is the most used when it comes to browsers. Microsoft Edge is also a good browser if you are looking for reliable browsing services. And the third one, this is made in India, Bharat Browser. You should probably give this app a try if you haven't already. Cam Scanner was a pretty useful app when it came to scanning documents and much more. The first alternative for this Chinese app is Adobe Scan and the second one is Microsoft Office Lens. These apps are made by reliable and famous companies like Adobe and Microsoft, so you should definitely go for these apps. I know that PUBG is not yet banned in India, but we all know it is a game created by China. After China, India plays PUBG the most, and because of that, China is making loads of money through Indians. The alternative for PUBG is Garena Free Fire. It is as good as PUBG if not better. So if you feel like China should stop earning a major part of the income through PUBG, you should surely go for Free Fire. Thanks for watching and please subscribe if you liked the video.